Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For the people who don't know me, hi, this is Priyanka Bhattacharjee and I welcome you all to my channel. So today's vlog is about a day out with my bestie. So we are going to 18 Commune, we're going to shop, we're going to have fun. So stay tuned and please if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you like the video, share, comment and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an update. क्या आपके इंतजार में जबड़ा आ गया नहीं तो हमें लास्ट में देसी जुगाड़ करना पड़ा देसी जुगाड़ How are you feeling today?
A few moments later.
Guys, so we were traveling by metro and we were on our way to 18. So in this metro there was this little girl who was sitting right beside my friend and she was constantly looking at me and smirking. I couldn't understand why. So we were about to get down Park Street. Her mother called me gently and she said that, my daughter thinks that you're really pretty. And I froze for a second. I smiled at her. What she didn't know was that I had been having a tough day. One of those quiet battles in your head, where nothing feels enough, where your reflection even doesn't match how you want to feel. And truth is, I didn't grow up feeling pretty and I didn't think I stood out. I always wondered, what if I would be ever that girl, So when that little stranger, little darling called me pretty with pure innocence, honesty, it did something to me. It touched that little girl in me who needed to hear it years ago. It reminded me how powerful kindness is. How a single sentence can shift someone's entire mood, entire day, or an year. So here's a reminder. Be kind always. And thank you so much, baby, for making and lifting my mood up. Thank you. So we have reached 18 Commune and everything shifted. Warm golden lights, wooden textures, and that earthy, cozy meets modern vibe. Lush screens peeking through walls and soft music floating in the background. The kind of place that doesn't just look good, it feels good. Every table hummed with stories, every corner felt like a Pinterest board.
Too bad. Do it. आज तो परीक्षा है आपकी.
Don't judge me.
No, I won't. I'm gonna take your reaction and then see if it's nice. Is it good? Should have dipped it in the soy sauce as well. It's nice. Good to go.
So we tried the prawn tempura sushi at 18 and it was genuinely very yum. It was crispy on the outside, soft, drizzled with spicy mayo. It's fresh, crunchy, creamy, and absolutely delicious. So, a suggestion, a must try if you're here.
It was so random.
I've zoomed in your picture like too much.
Why? No.
Say how much you love me, right?
It was good. Really good.
I said how much you love me. Not
Sorry?
the food. I said how much you love me.
Oh, I don't love you.
The Czech Lollipop! This is the OOTD of the day. Please let me know in the comments below what do you think about the look.
Right?
Yeah.
What do you want to say? How was the food?
Food was really amazing and especially the ambience was really good.
Yeah.
Especially for the Instagrammers and the YouTubers. If
Is
you're
it?
planning to
I
visit
think
over here.
they has to work around with the lighting. Like when the lighting wasn't
The
good.
lighting, see, you can't expect everything to be on top notch. So you need to adjust.
Why
a little
can't?
bit.
But Chiku Bhaiya, love you.
Yes,
We loved your food. So must visit, okay
Must
guys?
visit.
So now we are heading to West Side for some shopping day. Let's go guys.
So finally we reached West Side and honestly I was not ready for how good the collection was, to be honest. Soft pastels थे, rich earthy tones थे, पूरा रैक ना इतना thoughtfully curated था, क्या ही बताऊँ मैं. इतने सुंदर सुंदर कोट्स थे, स्ट्रक्चर्ड ब्लेजर्स थे, प्रिंटेड शर्ट्स था जो बहुत लाउड नहीं था बट काफ़ी पिंटरेस्ट वाइब दे रहा था. The summer cottons are very breathable, it's very elevated. But Westside has done some good job. The ethnic collection was equally very nice. Dreamy kurta sets, The embroidery was on point. It felt like one of those rare days, you know, everything you touch feels like it's amazing.
You want to say something? Go ahead.
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Yeah.
Ça va?
Everybody say shower, shower.
Priyanka, we are at West Side. So, what do you think about the collection?
Collection is okayish at the moment. I don't like it
Okay.
much because the sale is not going on, and we as girls we don't like anything if it's not on sale. Well, hi Rai, how are you? Are you having fun with me?
Yes,
Having a
of
good
course.
time with me?
Of course.
Rai is a new blogger in town.
No. I'm not
Vlogs.
some blogger or something
Because
like
my
that.
phone died and we are making vlogs from Rai's phone. That's so
And
nice.
I'm sorry,
She's
guys,
so
if it
generous.
is so bad. The
No,
quality
it's
of
amazing. I look good. Until and unless we both look good, it's fine. It's okay. We're just staring. You can stop it now. Do you like the collection?
Averagely good. It's averagely good. Not that bad. Like for the ethnic, it's good. But for the
The ethnic
Western,
is nice.
it's like okay. It's not that great. Like not working for me at least.
Same. I like the West Side Home collection.
Yeah, that's true.
It's very aesthetic,
very
right?
aesthetic and very chic type of.
Correct. So when are you going to buy me a house?
Good question.
Right?
I don't have one, so can't assure you.
We'll buy it together and we'll live like side by side with that.
काफी घूमने के बाद finally we walked into West Side Home, my favorite place, and it instantly felt like a Pinterest in real life. Muted tones, soft textures, and minimal aesthetic. Everything was so calming, you guys.
This is how lonely a Priyanka is.
Let's see, guys.
My God.
1 minute.
That's the only I can choose for myself.
So sad, na?
Very sad.
इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया मेरा।
Right.
भाई तोड़ मत उसको।
ये हाथी कर रहा है. Hi. How are you? I can't.
Hi Jiju. Hi Jiju. How are you? All good?
Nice person, bro.
Yeah. Just like your dream guy, right? भाई घुमा मत ज्यादा, फिर निकल के आ जाएगा।
हाथ निकल गया उसका मेरे हाथों में.
भाई इतना भी तुम खून का मत बनो।
I am sorry, Babu.
So what do you think about me getting a version?
Impossible.
Why? Because the only boy I can afford is.
Yes, him.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So we walked into the West Side perfume section and suddenly I was in a Pinterest mood board. You know, we tried a few scents and it was really nice. So suddenly we went to one more cafe for trying out coffee and french fries. There we spotted one of our professors sitting right beside us. And of course we were shy to interfere his space and we didn't want to disturb him for real, and we didn't want to talk, to be honest. And somehow my friend Rai, she was trying to hide from him. Just watch the next clip, guys. It's very, very funny.
What are you up to? What are you up to?
And cappuccino.
New hack of having french fries or what?
It's nice. Try it.
Really?
You have anything really die. Try it.
मरना तेरे को डर नहीं लगता?
Thank you so much for watching it till the very end. I hope you guys liked the video. And in case you did, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you next time. Toodles.